guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do this makeup look right here. Yeah, let's quickly jump into the video. You will surely enjoy my video and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so my moisturizer and lips are already done. I will be jumping to my concealer. Everyone knows I will be using LA Girl Pro Conceal.
नहीं
एक कांच लेके आना मम्मी का.
कौन सा कांच? इधर सामने विंडोज है ना.
कुछ भी
Okay, blend this out. Make sure you apply very little product on your dash area because when you sweat, it just get accumulated there and it's like, you know, something is coming out. You just skip this and this area. So I will be applying this concealer again. This is lighter, very lighter to my skin tone. I will be going with my foundation. Only a dot on my forehead because you have a lot of expression going on like this, oh ha. So because of which, you know, your foundation gets collected between the lines on your forehead because that's the area which will get exposed first once you sweat. Okay, so I have applied a little bit foundation and I think it's really white, so I will be going back with my concealer. So I will be bringing a little bit color. So my loose powder is really white and I didn't got the Maybelline Fit Me powder. That's the reason I used this sugar powder. So I will be going with my loose powder and don't focus on the base. I would not recommend this powder. Look how am I looking. I'm looking like a chudel. Okay, I have blended my powder and wapas I will be blending it with this part so that it's good and even. Just drag whatever product is left, just drag it. I'm feeling very dry, so I will just apply my setting spray all over my face. Okay, I have not set my eyelid area. For that, I'll just apply a little bit of powder. Now for the next step, I will be taking my Sugar Ka lipstick. Only my lids and not my crease area because I will be covering my crease area with a bronzer. So for the next step, I will be taking this bronzer right here. Let me blend this out. So for the next step, I think I should contour my nose. For that, I will be taking this brush. This is how you have to connect. You can skip this step obviously. And then I will be going with highlighter. So then I will be contouring my
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
jawline, this area and this area. For this area, I will be using my Sugar Ka lipstick because it's brown in color. Now I will be taking this powdery bronzer and I will blend them together. No worries, you can correct it with your beauty sponge. It will take all the excess product, and then I will be going on my temples. Now for my jawline, I will be taking this lipstick again. So for the next step, I will be taking my sugar powder, and then I will be doing a little bit of baking. You can skip this step. And then I will just jump on my eyes. For eyes, I will be doing fake eyeliner look. I will be applying a little bit on my outer lid, this pencil only, and then I will be blending it. Blend it inside, okay? For the next step, I will be just taking my kajal a little bit outwards. Just connect it to your lower lash line. And you can just smudge it out. Then I will be filling my waterline. Okay, so I will just dust off whatever I have done here. Okay, so for my mascara, I will be taking the Maybelline mascara. And then what you have to do, you just take your hand and remove the excess product. Okay, this is not perfect. I need my kajal. Then I will be going back with my bronzer just to give it a good final touch up. So for blush, I will be going with the Baby Lips. I will be taking it on the high points where we apply our highlighter at that point. And then I will be blending it with my beauty blender. For blush, I will be going with this blush right here. It's like you have to connect everything, okay? Now you will be able to see what I'm talking about. Wait. And now you will see the major differences. अब कहाँ दिख रहा है blush? For the next step, I will be taking this nude lip shade and I'll just line my lips. Now I won't be going with a nude lip. Here's the key. It's really nude, so I will be going with pink shade. Now I don't think the shades are suiting me a lot, so I will be going with pink color maybe. I've literally applied 3 colors on my lips. So for the last step, I will be going with our highlighter. Okay, what you can do, you can just take your beauty blender, take your highlighter in your beauty blender and just apply it on your face, and this is how your face would look. going with my makeup fixer again just to set all the overdone highlighter. Oh shit. Blender there?
मैं लाऊंगा तो तेरे व्यूअर्स कम हो गए.
वो तो वैसे भी तुझे लास्ट वीडियो में देख के कम हो चुके हैं.
चुप.
So that's gonna be it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what else you need. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.